So what's up, YouTube? So this will be a video on replacement of the headlight bulb on a 2006 2008-ish year range for the Chevy Cobalt. First we're going to want to start with a 10mm socket. You can either use a deep socket or a regular socket with just a little bit of an extension. That way you don't hit your fender right here when you're working on this guy here. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and take those guys off. So two 10mm bolts, we'll get them off. As you can see in the video, I have already pre-loosened the bolts. We'll set those guys aside. Another tool that is going to be very handy is going to be a clip remover, which, I mean, you can get one of these at Walmart or Harbor Freight or something like that for a few bucks. And you're going to want to pick up your plastic retaining clips right here, and you'll just pop these guys up. If you don't have one of these handy, a regular screwdriver will do the trick just fine. Just be prepared if one of these breaks. It's not going to be the end of the world. So we'll pop those guys out. There's one that sits there, and then there's one that sits right here. I've already removed this one, so we'll get those two set off to the side. So, and then from here, we're going to go ahead, and there's two T-clips is what I'm going to call them, that are on the bottom of the headlight. So basically, after you've removed these two bolts, you'll just go ahead and slide your light forward, and that's where this will come in handy again. Right here at the bottom of the light, this is got a little bit of a bubble in the bumper, so you guys probably won't have to deal with this, but on this one, I'm just gonna kind of stick it right down here, pop our headlight up and over that so that it'll slide forward, and then again, just from the rear of the light, and just push it forward as far as you can get it. Pull that out, and now that it's up and over that lip, and we'll just kind of push this spot here down. Again, you guys probably won't have to do this on yours. So, and then it should just pop right out there. You'll pull the side out first, and then just slide it out like that. From here, we have access to both of our lights. Again, this tool will come in handy. You're just going to pop the back of the clip for your light right here, and then just pull it on up. Just like that. And then there's a little plastic retaining clip here that you're going to just twist counterclockwise, just like that. Pull that guy out, set it to the side, and now you have access to your light. If this video was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. I really would appreciate any subscribers, and I'll see you guys on the next video. So, and then you guys will just take your headlight, flip it back facing the right way. We're going to go ahead, and again, we're going to want to push our front corner piece behind the bumper here, because it does catch up on this front part of the bumper. And then we'll come over here to this side, and we'll try to make sure we're not damaging our fender here. There's just a little bit of residue there. The fender's fine. And then we're going to also try and line up our holes here with these ones as we're pushing it in there, so that we don't go underneath it or anything like that. And again, you'll just put right here where my thumb is, you're going to push down a little bit to kind of make it underneath this lip here as it pops into place. And then from here, while it's still forward about this much, we're going to go ahead, take our headlight, push it down a little bit, and slide it back. And you can feel it catch, so we know that this side is caught. And we're going to take this side, make sure that it's pushed down enough, just like such, and then push it on back as well, and we're back in business.